Hey, my name is David. I'm here at 360 Huguenot to show you the Smart Studio with Ori. Let's check it out. The Smart Studio with Pocket Closet gives us the functionality and flexibility of a bedroom and a living room. And the first thing that you notice from the living room is the incredible views here at 360 Huguenot. Normally in studios, you have the challenge of having an open layout where you can see everything and hear everything in one space. By introducing the Ori Pocket Closet, we divide space. So you have your living room with your living room activities, your exercise, your media wall, and your hinge down desk, and then your bedroom where you have your privacy and your sleep. And then in addition to that, with just the touch of a button, you have a full walk-in closet. The built-in closet at 360 Huguenot's great, but you don't want your clothing competing with your bulk storage and your suitcases. So the Ori Pocket Closet gives you that full walk-in experience that you normally can't have in a studio, with your hanging space, your cubbies, and shelving for your shoes. Even the studios at 360 Huguenot have great kitchens. And the best part by using a smart studio with the Ori Pocket Closet is that you can cook and host your friends without having your bed in your kitchen at all times. If you're working from home right now, it can be tricky, especially if you're in a studio. Pocket Closet and the full hinge down desk allows you to have your creative space without always staring at your bed. Also, with the Media Center, you can use your TV as a second monitor. If you want to come see the Smart Studio in person, come on down to 360 Huguenot and check it out. It's a studio like you haven't seen before.